Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will be going to do something nice, and by nice I mean Visual Coding Studio. By the way, don't look at my face or my thing. I should actually just do this. Wait a second. Yeah. I should do this. Uh, that's better. Yeah, that's better. Now you don't see me. So today we will be going to do Visual Coding Studio, and so I was thinking of doing something basic or no. Should we do something nice? Okay, let's do something bites like basic and nice. So let's make a new thing here. I'm also going to name it Vice. I meant to, I know that. Come on, Vice, start up Vice. I think I did something wrong. This is Vice. I'm going to rename him because so today I am thinking let's do web. I thought that idea because I have something known as web, so let's do something as web. I'm going to wait a second. Dot py. Now this is officially a Python file. How much time does it take? Thank you. So let's do web. First we will do I am p o r t. You should import. I think this is the one. I don't know. It usually. Wait a second. Let's delete this. Sorry for the time taking cycle bin. Sorry for the time that it's taking, but I don't know what error just came. It usually just rewrite it. The hell? Okay, so the code I was making is not this, not this, not that. Where even is yes, this. Okay, it was web browser. Never mind. So what does this do? Look at this. Very magical. One, two, three, four, and boom. It oh okay.
Serial communication.
No 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 no. Okay, no. So it automatically opens any website to show it. It's you can literally see how easy of a code this is. So easy. Why am I making actions if you can't even see me? I'm stupid, aren't I? I'm pretty stupid. Okay, so I have made a program to open a something. I don't know what I just opened back there, but I have made something like this. You can put any website. You can put any website. Like it's showing right here. Now this will open a example. You can see this domain is for use in examples without needing permission. Avoid use in operation. What the hell? I literally don't know. I actually don't know what that is. That was different. That was so different. Okay. I want to show you one more thing. One more in basic. So I have made a nice project. It's pretty good. I will show you. Not this. I and find it. Um, this is mouse. I think it was GG. Yep, this is the one. So don't look over here. It's pretty stupid over here. But the thing I have made is look at this. Such a nice thing. It's just a keyboard with binary, but you can upgrade this. I have made it like this because I didn't know how to make it. But you can make it like this. I have don't laugh. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. So I can write anything like Pizza Hut or hello or keyboard. I can write anything. It's from A to Z. So I just need to copy these O L O L L O L L L L L L, and it will just print these kind of things. The thing is they are ridiculously long. To write these, they are so long, so long, so long that you can never understand why. Obviously, my friends made it a little small, like this small, only this bit of small, nothing much, only that small. Like I'm so stupid to make this so large. Oh my god. So these are this is also one project you can make, pretty simple. After that, I think what is this? Uh, After that, I would suggest making this. This is a uh, smart kind of lock, digital lock. Yeah, this is a smart digital lock. In this, there is a password, and just gonna show you. Take some time. So first it says that 543277777. Okay, 543277777. Correct it. And then it tells me to access this. And just for I'm just going to show you. It does not work if I write something else. Like if I write 888816, it will do that. So that's why it only works with this particular pin. And then you need to reset it to access it again. Oh my god. Um, Enter. Now, if I want to do hello AI or ATM pin. ATM. No, 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 no. It's two. Yes. 5498. Now, this ATM pin is not for the next project, it's for this one. And if you just want to see every other thing, you can look. This is the whole code I will show you. First, take a picture of this. You have taken it, then take a picture of this. You have taken it, then take a picture of this. Okay, I've taken it. This is the whole code. The third picture was a waste, obviously. I'll scroll it down slowly so you can take a actual full picture. Okay, actually, let's just do this. Why does my thing not work anymore? That's the whole code. That's the whole point. Now, this was actually made by me. Pretty hard to make this actually. Very, very hard. Not much hard, but basic. Basic. If you're a basic beginner, then it's pretty hard. But I'm not a beginner. I'm pretty smart. What's this? Let's see what's this. Please don't give me something that I cannot escape from. Doing nothing till now. What is this supposed to be? A black screen? Am I supposed to do something in it? Oh, okay. This is a Minecraft thing I tried to make. Well, this is the thing that is happening right now. Yeah, yeah. So not that cool. I'm just okay. I am officially trapped over here. Oh, what just happened? I just got teleported to a new. What in the hell is this, bro? God, I don't even actually know what this is. Is this supposed to be a ginormous? I'm actually gonna fall. I want to see what happens because I cannot believe that this is what ChatGPT made. ChatGPT made it. Sorry, I don't think it's the. It's the same thing. Oh my god, this looks like shit. Can I not escape it? Okay. Wow, so good. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Do not mess with me. Gonna close that. See, so that's some projects that I have made. Don't say my videos suck, please. And subscribe. Bye. I guess. Watch my other videos. I got to close this or I can't upload this. Bye. Sorry you can't see my screen. Bye.